Throughout this pandemic, we have seen healthcare providers put their own health at risk, and personal protective equipment is a must for those on the front lines.
But tonight, these nurses up in Humble say they need more of that protection, and they're willing to protest to get it. Sophia Ojeda is live in Humble tonight. And Sophia, these nurses work at a rehab hospital, not directly with COVID-19 patients, but they do still feel vulnerable.
Exactly, Chris and Dominique. Nurses tell me that patients are constantly transferred to this facility. So without that proper protective equipment, they are worried they could be exposed to the coronavirus. And they say that is exactly the reason why they had to walk off the job. They had to leave because they don't feel safe.
Underpaid! Underpaid! Underpaid!
Nurses from Encompass Health Rehabilitation Hospital in Humble walked off the job this morning and stood outside chanting their message to hospital officials. They want more protective gear, a safer work environment, and hazard pay.
I feel like they don't care about our safety. I feel like they're doing what is best for the organization financially, but not for the staff.
The nurses claim they are understaffed and underpaid. There are not enough nurses for all the patients, and protective gear is not being made available.
The patients are asking me, why am I not wearing what they would call a moon suit? They're asking me, where's my equipment? And I'm telling them that this is all we've been provided.
According to their website, Encompass Health Rehabilitation Hospital specializes in treatment for stroke, brain injuries, and other complex neurological conditions. Patients receive at least 3 hours of therapy 5 days a week. Nurses say they are in constant close contact with patients. Many patients also come from other facilities, so they are always worried about possibly being exposed to the coronavirus.
We may not know where they're coming from. We may not know if they're positive upon admission. We may find out later that they may have been exposed.
I reached out to Encompass Health for more information. They sent me this statement. It reads in part, quote, "We are taking all appropriate safety precautions, such as supplying proper personal protective equipment and adhering to a universal masking policy. We will continue to ensure the safety of our staff as we provide safe and quality care to the patients we serve." And the nurses tell me they will not go back to work until a deal is reached with the hospital, and they plan to be back on the picket line first thing in the morning. Reporting live in Humble, Sophia Ojeda, KPRC, Channel 2 News.